Hello, everyone. Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, coming to you with the 3Rivers Market Report for March 6, 2024. And boy, the market has sprung into action. We got all up arrows. For anybody who actually reads my email, down at the bottom, you'll see where I do the full numbers on the weekly email. And you'll see where I had to put the down arrow down below just to save it for future weeks. I don't think I've only one time maybe other that I've seen where there are just no down arrows. We saw active available listings come in flat week over week. We saw it up 43% year over year. New listings were up 12%, showing that houses are still priced right. They're flying off the shelves. Up 36% year over year on new listings. Solds came in up 13% week over week, up 43% year over year. Pendings came in up 43% week over week, up 32% year over year. Median sale price came in at $250,000. That's up 14% year over year, so showing appreciation. Days on market did slow up some, but it's because we had a couple houses that sold that were in the 400 days on market. So average went to 52, 24 median. But we're seeing versus last year it was 34 average, 6 median. So the market is showing a little signs of slowing up, but that's not a bad thing. Historically, those are still within realms of a normal market, and we still only have just over a month inventory. And we believe even though sales are going to keep increasing this year, we're still going to be short inventory for at least the rest of this year. And we saw housing sales last 12 months, 4,266 sold versus last year at this time, 4,957. So down 13.9%. But remember, that's up from the peak at 18%. And we saw last year, 2023, we sold 4,274 homes. We believe this year it's going to be somewhere between 43 and 4,500. So somewhere between 0% to 5% by the year end. And that is the market report in a nutshell. Everyone have a great day. Reach out to us if you need anything. Grace and peace.